Hey, Dana here. Look at my blog, Project Moto. Alright, well, it's been a major project here trying to get the body back on, getting the bed back on, and getting all those screws realigned. A lot of them I had to re-drill because they broke off. So this is where we're at now. We got all the braces back up, and next thing tomorrow I'm pulling the fuel pump because we got a new pump. This is only putting out 20 PSI, and it needs to be putting out 40. It's running, but it's running like crap, and I'm pretty sure it's because there's not enough fuel pressure going through that fuel injector. So that's where we're at. Everything's re-screwed down. A lot of self-tapping screws. She's got to get a couple more pop-it push-pulls. I ran around and greased everything. I got a grease adapter for those now. The only one I still haven't been able to get is this front U-joint. They put in an odd, not a 45. It's kind of a angled one beyond the 45, and I can't get my grease fitting on it. So that's where we are. Tires go on tomorrow. Fuel pump goes in, and we'll be ready to run for the weekend. I hear it's going to be like 70 degrees this weekend. So that's going to be fantastic for her to finally get her toy running. I checked all the transfer cases. They've got oil in them. They need to be changed. We're a little low. Oil needs to be changed. Fuel filter. I'm still trying to get an OME fuel filter. If it comes down to it, I'll freaking get a Fram. And come to find out that a lot of people use the Rotella, T5 1540 in the motors. And I've been away from them for a long time, but I didn't realize we were starting to use. Well, when I was into this stuff, we had go-karts and the dirt bikes and stuff, and we weren't. There was no such thing as synthetic. So here we are, a new generation. Hi, hey, Danny, we're on a vlog, and this is Project Moto. Today I'm going to go ahead and change out the fuel pump on this. See my kid here? First thing you got to pull all 6 of your screws out. I even got an internal audience. So
you know what, Joe said? It
pull
doesn't
that.
matter, honey. We can take it back. Right?
It's got to come out.
Aha!
Aha.
You took my other hand. What are you doing? Don't break my stuff, dude. Is that for the new?
So my question is,
Come on.
okay, so we're going to pop this out.
Oh, man. That's a big hammer. It's not the hammer I want. I want the hammer that'll break wood.
Let me.
Break wood?
I gotta investigate this. All right. Quantum fuel systems. I mean, it's just the pump. So I have to pull. Here's all your housings. Goes on the bottom of the pump. And there's that little sucker right there. Holy cow. Wow. We're going to find out. Head to the old one. Boy, is that sucker small. That's going to crank out 40 PSI. We'll find out. Quantum fuel pump.
I don't want to break my truck.
The pump's going to be That's going to be inside this casing here. So we can pull the strainer off of here. Okay, what was going in here? So, yep, that's gonna go inside that casing, just like so. So this pump's gotta come out. We'll replace this hose here. It's getting kind of brittle, I think. Let's see. I'm gonna figure. We got all new parts here. We're still getting to keep the whole casing. Figure out how to get Mr. Pump out. Da, 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 da. We got fuel all in there. Okay.
We had all these like seriously aggressive hammers, and I can't find a one of them. What do you do with them?
There's someone. Yeah. Let's pull the.
What do you do?
Put a few line here.
I just want a hammer.
We're a screwdriver.
Huh? Stuff's pretty useless though. Don't mean a whole lot. Lucky and get that stud thing that we needed
yeah.
for the tire.
Okay.
Because he thought he had it. Because somebody ordered it and then sent it back and then bought it again and then sent it back.
Okay.
And turned out that they must have kept it the last time they bought it.
Gotcha.
But I thought it was going to work out to where I was going to be able to bring that home too. And he said, no, I'm sorry, I don't have it. What's that water? It's not water, it's gasoline. He's changing my fuel pump. Well,
We'll change the fuel filter while I'm here too.
I was going to say, you're going to do the filter too, right?
While I'm here.
Because it's right in the back, in the bed here.
Okay. Oh, dirty.
Yeah.
Yep. I'm gonna keep everything freaking clean if I can. Good idea, huh?
Hey, was I supposed to screw something in here?
Where?
Or did you decide you didn't need to?
Oh, don't worry about it till I got all these universal freaking. Basically, universal filter things here. And pick out one that's going to be suitable for your scenario. There's the front one there. And then the new filter head. Now, my question is, what we got to do to get that pump out of there?
Staring.
Let's see what the
Hey, girl. I don't know why she does.
pump was up there. The heck's the...
Pretty girl, what are you doing? Little bit.
Where's my scissors?
I wish I could Knees out.
I'm find my scissors.
Get her. Get her.
I got a pair right here, but the old ones. Okay. Actually, it's just a push up, and it goes up in that hose.
Let's see if I can hold this up.
Doesn't it? Doesn't it? Go upstairs.
Oh, sure.
It's going up in that
Here's
hose.
that one.
And then, because there's your, there, so. Screwdriver and pry that out. Ain't coming out that way. Because I'm working right on my fuel tank. Pressed on now. Pressed on ready. Huh. Let's see. See if that'll change anything. I don't think it will, though. Leave that right where it is. I'm gonna get some fuel. Oh, you. Okay. Okay. Oh. My pump's not working. Again. Huh. I don't know what's causing that. Maybe it's something inside the... Huh. Maybe there's something failing in the pump. Seems to only want to work when it wants to work. Could be relay. Huh. No, back to the drawing board. Oh, what is that? Now I got, again, back to no power to that. To look, find out what the relay is. The relay is, got a bunch of stuff up under here. Huh. Not sure. Fuel gauge. Ain't even give me a quarter. Fuel gauge saying empty. Nope. Huh. I gotta check. Next time I get it running. Because I got no power on these, but they're both grounded. Switch. Temperature. That's a temperature sensor. Coil. Your idle and air injection, and there's a temperature sensor. Huh. Your fire kill switch. Alright, well, back to the drawing board.